Good morning, Jesse from Reddick Equipment Company. Getting over just a little snapshot of what we're doing at Reddick Equipment Company. We are truly busy, we are so grateful. Building trucks right here for customers. Started this in, we'll work our way around different stages. 3 pumps and 3 engines. This one has a tank set on it. Ready to sit on the chassis. Got over to our next bay. Similar same style truck, open station. Just different stage of building. Trying to pre-stage as much as we can, like having the reels already put together here. Back to another 3 pump and 3 engine combination. We're pretty busy, which is great. Tanks in here, ready to take and be cut. Fittings being installed. As you can see, more reels and ready to go. Pumps and engines ready. If you're looking at a lawn care truck or a plant health care truck or pest control truck, we'll be glad to sit down with you and take a phone call and try to lay out what your needs are. Give us a call at Reddick Equipment Company and let us help you. Thank you.